Okay, so let me show you what I woke up to this morning. After all is said and done. Oh yeah. We got snow everywhere. I don't know how many inches. They were saying somewhere between 18 and 20. Anyway, let me take you out front so you can see how this all looks here. Okay, there's that Jeep that yesterday was barely covered with an inch of snow. I shoveled a little bit of this out today. And there's my poor car. About a foot of snow on it. And everybody is digging out, as you can see. Alright, well that's going to be all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this little 4-part series of the blizzard of 2011 in Chicago. Thanks everybody for watching. Talk to you later.